Well, gear. Gear is used to transmit the motion from one shaft to the other shaft. Commonly, such things have been done with the two methods. Commonly, one is a gear, another one is a belt. But turns to a gear, model is the one that reflects what the gear is. All the way, the model says how big the gear is. And mathematically, it can even be said that the ratio of a diameter to the teeth sends out to the given diameter of a blank, how many number of teeth have been cut through. Anyway, while coming up to a terminology of an gear, what you see over here is an gear. If you could say an outer peripheral above the teeth, imagine a circle drawn over the teeth. That circle is said as addendum circle. And the circle that is drawn at the base of a teeth, we call that circle as a dedendum circle. And respectively, for an addendum circle, it will be an addendum diameter, and for dedendum circle, it will be an dedendum diameter. In between addendum circle and dedendum circle, if I imagine one more circle being drawn across, that is said as a pitch diameter, pitch circle diameter. Fine. Once we go to understand this nomenclature, next important nomenclature is in a pitch. Pitch is termed to be a consecutive teeth distance, that sends out a distance between one teeth to the another teeth, that to a consecutive teeth, we call that as a pitch. And the distance between the face of this teeth is said as a face width. In our great terminology, this has been termed as B. Addendum circle as 10 dash, and the diameter of an addendum circle is termed as DA. Dedendum circle diameter is said as DF. And next important terminal is the distance between pitch circle diameter and addendum circle diameter is said as addendum. The distance between dedendum circle diameter and the pitch circle diameter is said as dedendum. This where the gear terminology been started up with.